Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the AutoDS Shopify. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use AutoDS for dropshipping. I'll be covering an overview of AutoDS capabilities, connecting your e-commerce store, how you can find winning products, and more, so stay tuned and let's get started. And the very first step to getting started is that we want to head over to shopify.com, and if you don't have an account already, then we obviously want to create one. And upon creating your account, you'll be granted a 3-day free trial just to get a feel of the platform, and then after that you'll obviously want to get one of the plans that you can see on the screen right now. And at the moment there is a temporary offer that will grant you any one of these plans for only $1 a month for your first 3 months on the platform. It is a temporary offer by Shopify, so go ahead and grab it before it's too late. You will find the offer in our description box down below. After that, Shopify will create your dashboard for you and you will land on a page that looks like this. And this is where we get to the part of AutoDS. Now, for those unfamiliar, AutoDS aims to support e-commerce merchants across key operational areas that are usually prone to manual inefficiency or lack of visibility. The platform covers product research, supplier integration, centralized inventory, order processing, you name it. AutoDS essentially acts like a command center, plugging into your existing store infrastructure to fill common feature gaps. Both new and established online sellers leverage AutoDS every day to scale faster by offloading tedious commercial tasks to intelligent software. So if you're currently struggling to find enough winning products to sell, or want to monitor supply chain risks proactively, or maybe provide better shipment transparency for your customers, then AutoDS can help you with all of this and more once you've had it configured properly. After that, we will get to the step of connecting our own e-commerce store. So getting started with AutoDS requires connecting your existing sales channel, like in this case our Shopify store, for proper data syncing. And for that, we will have to head over to the App Store with Shopify itself and then download the AutoDS Dropshipping application. An important thing to note is that the application comes with a free for dev version, and you can test the application itself for a 14-day free trial in case you want to get the import plan, starter plan, or the advanced one. We will need one of these plans in order to import actual products into our store. And as previously mentioned, you can test one of these plans for a 14-day trial, and then after that, if you found immense value in the platform, then you could actually get one of these affordable plans and get up to 200 products imported, along all of the other features that I mentioned earlier. After that, all you have to do is install the application and then access it within your store on Shopify, and then we'll be able to actually utilize AutoDS. And once our store is linked with AutoDS, the next step is finding winning products from AutoDS platform itself. And I realized deciding upon a winning product offering is hugely challenging, especially for our newcomers lacking data or sourcing relationships. And this is where AutoDS shines with advanced built-in product research capabilities, surfacing items with validated buyer demand across many categories and price points. So rather than randomly speculating, AutoDS taps actual sales data and trends to spotlight merchandise shoppers actively purchasing, minimizing the risk significantly by aligning your catalog to consumer intent. And beyond reporting on existing hits, an AI predictions engine even forecasts future opportunities on the verge of taking off, so that you can capitalize early before competition crowds a niche. Additionally, AutoDS ensures that all vital product metadata like the title, description, images, rich media, and critical specifications carry over seamlessly, so that you can launch new lines faster than any manual process. Inventory can also stay perpetually synced, picking up dynamic changes from the vendors. Now, with your store stocked full of high margin products, actually managing this growing product portfolio gets increasingly complex, especially as sales grow. You need visibility into latest quantities, locations, and delivery schedules to execute the orders. And AutoDS facilitates this operational capacity through interconnected supplier networks, sharing live inventory databases that you can track, detailed quantity on hand reports coupled with origination points, speed fulfillment, and shipping. And beyond fundamentals, AutoDS delves deeper, providing insights around procurement costs, changes for dynamic price adjustments, predicted out of stocks triggering restock reminders, and other analytics to balance the supply and demand more intelligently. So in closing, I hope that walking through AutoDS's capabilities, installing it into the Shopify store, is going to provide you with tremendous value in your dropshipping business. I definitely encourage everyone to start taking advantage of various free trials available, understanding that these solutions are critical enablers allowing you to reach goals faster and save a lot of time on the tedious manual work. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.